Buenos, dolphins. It's Monday, October 28th. It's also International Week here at ISP. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Erica, and here's your ISP Elementary News. This week kicks off International Week. This morning we had a pod assembly. Here are some highlights.
I have missed you. I have not been able to be at Flag for a few weeks, and I was so happy that I got to say good morning to you all today.
Amarte, respetarte, y defenderte, como símbolo sagrado de nuestra nación.
We're your SRC leaders, and today we'd like to share all about our International Week.
We would like everyone to think about this question. How am I building bridges to promote a just, peaceful, and inclusive society?
We want you to be involved in a little project.
We're going to pick 4 people from the stage. 2. They're going to share with another member of their pod.
You're only allowed to tell your own pod, and we will see how quickly the message spreads.
Remember, no changing the message. This is a message about kindness and building bridges.
Next Monday, we will see how many people have heard the message in each pod.
Stand up if you think that the answer is China, and sit down if you think that it's Scotland. Which country? So it is Japan.
Stand up, Germany, sit down.
We will have a Fair of Nations International Parade and Cultural Lunch.
The SRC will be meeting today. Make sure you let your SRC reps know if you have any suggestions.
Today in the cafeteria, they will be serving Cuban-inspired dishes. Be sure to be adventurous and try everything.
Joke of the day. What do you get when the Easter Bunny shows up in October?
What?
A hoppy Halloween.
Har, 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 har. The random fact of the day is ghost bats are some of the only bats with white fur.
Mindfulness quote of the day is service to others is the rent we pay for living on this planet. Marian Wright Edelman. That's it for today's ISP Elementary News. Have a magnificent Monday. Slug.